Creating the program using the logical OR operator. Before starting code, we should understand how does the logical OR operator works. The OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true. Means it look for at least one condition need to be true. So we have the example that a student get prize if he scores above 95 marks or he wins a sports competition. Means out of those two conditions, we need at least one need to be true. So let's enter inside the main function. Int marks equals to 97, and another variable is int wins equals to, I will take 0. Okay, after that we have to print the result. So using printf function, inside that providing %d that will represent our result, and after that we have to provide the condition. So marks should be greater than equal to 95 or wins should be greater than equal to 1. Okay, after that it will check for this condition and result will be represented using %d. It will be in the form of the true or false. 1 is used for the true and 0 is used for the false. Here int marks are 97, means 97s are greater than equal to 95. Yes, it is true. Or here wins equals to 0. We need at least one win. Okay, so OR operator works like it need only one condition need to be true. Saving it, and it's time to execute. Here we get our output 1. Here one condition is true, another is false, but OR operator looks for at least one condition need to be true, and we found that with the marks.